Let's have a look at how to log an inspection attendee through the Eagle CRM mobile app. First, we're going to go to the menu and go to the inspections section. And you'll see we've got three tabs along the top here. We've got mine. So these are inspections that belong to listings where I'm the listing agent or I'm the user on the inspection. Then you've got for sale. So this will show all for sale listings that your user has access to, and the same for rental listings as well. So we're going to go back to mine, and you can see here we've got an inspection here, A28 Eagle Street, and you can see that this is an open inspection, and you can also see that we've had one person registered for this inspection as well. If I swipe right, you can see we have this directions button here. Tapping the directions button will take you to your Maps app with the address pre-filled, which is really handy. So let's tap into the inspection. And what we'll have is anyone who's pre-registered or confirmed will show at the top here in this pre-registered section. And then anyone who has just inquired on the property previously will show in the list down below here. So if we can't immediately see the person that we're checking in on this list here, we have this search box at the top. So we can go ahead and search John Smith, and you'll see what happens is as I'm typing, it will start showing results, and I can keep typing to provide more specific results. If I want to check someone in at this point, I can just tap check in on their name. I can also tap on the contact itself, so I can confirm extra details to make sure that I'm checking in the correct person. And I can also edit the contact here too, in case I need to collect extra information from the person as well. Now, if the person that we're looking for is actually not in our database already, we have this add contact button at the top. So if I tap that, what this will do is will take us to create a new contact. And you can see it's already pre-filled in the first and last name that I've entered. So what we would do is obviously collect a phone number or an email as well. And then we can tap save. And what happens when we press save is it will both create the contact and it will also check in the contact all in the one action. Now, what you can see has happened here is at the top it says John Smith was checked in. So we get this confirmed section here so we can see that they've been checked in. And then we also have this edit button as well. So if we tap edit, this actually takes us to the edit attendee screen. So this is where we can manage interest level. We can enter price feedback. We can select if a contract has been requested or not. And on a rental listing, we also have the option of tenant rating here too. And then we can also select if this inspection will be visible on the vendor report in this case. So once we've checked everyone in, over onto the attendees tab, this will give us a list of all the contacts who have been checked in, and then we can swipe for interest level if we haven't already set the interest level. So we can swipe right on John, and this will set the interest level to interested. And what you can see here is all the contacts who are interested, we have this button here to send documents. So it doesn't matter if you've got 1 or 5 or 10 or however many, you can send documents all in one action to our interested people who have attended the inspection. So let's tap send documents. And what this will do is we'll load a template so you don't need to write out the email. And you can see the attachment section here that we can tick what we would like to send. And then we can just hit send in the top right corner, and this will send out individually to each of the contacts that display at the top there. The next tab over is the owners tab, and this is a summary of this specific inspection. So how many people were checked in, how many people were interested, and then we also have owner details here as well. So we can tap on our owner and we can access their contact details. We can send them an SMS or place a call if you want to call straight from the inspection. And we've also got this send owner report. So if I tap send owner report, we have an email template that loads, and we've got two kinds of reports. We've got an owner report, which is the full vendor report. And then we've got the inspection report, which is just a report for this specific inspection, which will just show how many people came through and how many no-shows, etc. Once again, we can just tap send, and that will send to all the owners of this listing, regardless of how many there are. So that's how to log inspection attendees in through the mobile app, and I hope that helps. Thanks.